Did you know that there's millions of Roblox games? Well, you probably did. You can easily see this just by looking at a game link. And as a game developer myself, I usually script games. In other words, I figure out how to code and implement any idea my chip brain can think of. And since I mainly code games, I don't have time to make it look pretty. Because of this, I usually work alongside 3D modelers so I can get stuff done efficiently. So today, I'm gonna test this efficiency. My 3D modeler pal Bloxy and I challenged ourselves to make anything our minds could dream of. But since we're already seasoned developers, there's a twist. We each have 1 hour to make a game, and after that hour's up, we have to finish what each other started. So let's see what we can make. Three, 2, 1, go. Okay, so I'm thinking I want to make a round-based game. And I could add like guns to it too, so that could be really cool.
Alright, we gotta be really quick now because we only got 1 hour on us. So yeah, let's just go ahead and think of a theme. Now, what theme should I actually make? Because I don't have an idea for that. Dude, I'm so bad at this. Like,
I think an FPS game would be really cool. And I've already made a bunch of gun systems, so I can import those into my game, along with some like game handling stuff. I can make like a basic gun game, and then since he's a builder, he could like build the map and stuff.
Okay, so I'm just gonna start by putting out some parts. I don't really know what I'm supposed to make now, so I hope it helps, like putting out some parts so I can see a vision, I guess. I don't know. Now, I can't script like at all. I can only build, so Cash really needs to carry me on this one. So yeah, I'm sorry, Cash.
Okay, so I've added some guns to this. We have this AR model, we have this revolver, and we have this SMG. So now, yeah.
I don't like the Roblox lighting at all. This just sucks, okay? I can just create one type of lighting, so I'm sorry for that. Let's just do a bit of stealing here.
Since I have this basic system set up, I'm going to set up a round system, and you're going to be able to choose your weapons. Okay, so I want to make like an intermission for the game so there can be like a round system. So I'm going to put in this frame and add some UI. I'm also going to add a label right here that says how many people are alive currently.
Alright, so I've decided to like make a little town here. Let's just say it's supposed to be like a fighting game. I've never made a fighting game, so it might be a bit interesting. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to create some houses then, I guess. I'm gonna try and make something low poly, because low poly is really easy to create. So yeah, let's just do that. And wait, no, I actually want that. Alright, well, I'm happy with that. Let's just import this to Roblox now. Oh shit, I can't believe it that. Now, if I have some more time, I'll just make some more asses, I guess. Oh, I'm showing you all of my weird stuff. Okay, damn, that's bad. Alright, so I imported things, but I don't really like the realistic textures on this. So I'm thinking about going all stylized, like this one right here. I'm gonna try it out, and if I don't like it, I just delete it again, I guess.
I also want to make like a circle that closes in on you, kind of like how Fortnite has the storm that closes in. So I'm gonna make that real quick. Okay, so I've made some of the basic stuff for the game. We already have the guns and stuff, but I want to showcase this kind of like circle thing I made. So this is a like storm system, I guess, and it creates this circle, and then the circle scales down, and if you're not in the circle, it's going to kill you. So that's gonna be really cool. So for the main gameplay, what I want to do is I want the circle to like spawn in, and then pretty much weapons will fall down from the sky, and if you pick them up, you can like shoot at the other people. But every 10 seconds or so, all the items get wiped. So you have to be the first one to get the weapons, and you have to stay on your feet. Okay, now I have this nice circle thing, and pretty much this circle can randomly scale, and it can also randomly like move around. So here's an example of this happening. As you can see, the circle kind of scales up and it also scales down, and it also moves around. So right there you can see that it's actually moving this way, and what I'm going to do is whenever people are outside of the circle, it's going to just kill them and they have to wait in the lobby. So I'm going to make a lobby real quick.
Let's just try and organize these things now. Alright, so this will be the middle of the town. That's why this fountain is there. I messed up so badly, but it's done now, so let's not care about that. Swear, if this is not the right file, okay, it is. Alright, there we go, we fixed that, and now we got a house. Wow. Dude, I did so much to get this house. Alright, well, we got some more time left. Not that much. I'm just gonna go ahead and spam a lot of these trees everywhere, because I think that would look kinda good. Like, just behind everything, and I haven't given any instructions to Cash what this game is, so that might be a bad thing, but it might be a good thing. Like, he can have the imagination. Alright, but yeah, I probably need to give him some instruction what this game is supposed to be. So I might just add a like free model, maybe as a wand, cause this looks very magical. So let's just make this like a magic duel thing, and I'm just gonna add a free model of like a wand, cause yeah, that's probably what he needs to actually know what this game is about. Alright, there we go, we got an open place now. It looks kinda cool, I'm not gonna lie, I like this a lot. This looks really cool. Oh, I can't fix my, oh my, it's like broken or something. Alright, there we go, finally.
Okay, so I've added a couple stuff, and the time is almost up, but let me show you guys what I've got. So, we have this like intermission thing up here. We're in a lobby right now, and we're just waiting to be put in the game. And we have the circle, and then once we get into the game, the circle will change positions and stuff. So, every time we'll have an intermission, and we have a random chance to get guns, and if we get guns, then it will put guns into our backpack. The problem right now is that it's not saying that we're in the game, but I can fix that right now. Alright, so the circle's moving again, and we just got guns, so we can shoot people. So we got the guns now, and we lost them as soon as we got them. So that's gonna add some like attention to the game, so the game's always like making sure you're paying attention.
I should have probably taken a bit more time on these like trees and stuff. I don't really like them that much, but it's fine. It's done now, so we can't really change anything. It's like 3 minutes left. Let's just search for magic wands. You know what? That one works. Okay, that one doesn't work. Put this. Let's try it out. Oh, imagine if I haven't anchored anything at all. Alright, everything is anchored. Let's just try it out for a second. Wait, you just create objects with this? What a ripoff.
And we got guns. And in those 3 seconds that you get guns, you could easily wipe out everybody. So that's going to make the game pretty fun. We also have this arrow right here, and it goes to the target position. So for example, when the circle moves, this arrow will teleport there, and it'll tell you where to go. Okay, so now the game's actually working. The circle moves around. And we also have the arrow that like tells you where it's gonna be. So you just try to basically just survive to the very end. It's very nice. But I'm out of time now, so let's go see what Squizzo made.
Alright, with that being said, I'm done. This is gonna be sent to Cash now.
Okay, so Bloxy and I just finished making our base games. So now we're gonna swap games for an hour and see if we can make a good final product. So we'll be right back. Okay, so this is the Bloxy FPS game that I started out making, and let's see what Squidzo did to change it up. Did you publish it?
Oh, no, I didn't.
Alright, so I'm loading into the game now.
You're just flying from my POV right now.
Okay, so it looks like it's a lot decorated.
Uh-huh.
The map looks really good. I like it. How does this circle work? Does it work?
It's supposed to work. I didn't touch it at all.
There's no errors.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so the circle does work. The game is not broken. But I do like the map. You did a really good job on that.
Yeah, I took some reference from the actual Fortnite map.
So this is pretty much Fortnite.
Yeah, it's just like a tinier version, I guess.
The game is broken, but you know, that's what we get for having only 1 hour in the game. So let's go play the game that I finished now. Alright, so this game actually works. I had like a shop GUI that you can use. You can like select wands. I never actually added any wands because I didn't have any time, but we have this nice UI. So at least it looks like it's a real game.
Oh, I thought everything was gone for a second, but nothing had loaded in or something.
So the actual game functionality doesn't work, but I mean...
Yeah, I mean, the GUI works. That's cool.
There you go. So now you have a wand. So now when you activate the wand... Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, so... What is wrong with this? Okay, hold on. Reset your character and see if it fixes it.
The one is kind of excited right now.
Okay, I don't know what's happening. Yeah, the one... it's supposed to be shooting like electricity.
Yeah, no, it's sending out some white liquid stuff.
Comment down below who do you think won the game swap. That's the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe. Peace.